Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, First, let me introduce myself. My name is Widya Ruswindra. My name is 211-011-821-0033. I will explain some of vocabulary and some question. Okay, this is vocabulary one. This is first vocabulary is 15. This is symbol by 15. 15 pronunciation is 15. 15 is the part of the integers that come after 14 and before 16. 15 true divisor are 1, 3, and 5. Okay, for example, the first 15 minutes to live off. 2. 10 plus 15 equals 25. This is symbol of 10 plus 15 equals 25. Okay, next vocabulary is 50. This is symbol for 50. Pronunciation 50 is 50. 50 is the part of the integers that comes after 49 and before 51. It can be used to calculate the content of something, express the speed of an object, etc. Okay, for example, first, there are about 50 calories in an apple. 2. 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, next vocabulary is 500. This is symbol for 500 and pronunciation is 500. 500 is the part of the real number. It can be used to represent the amount of money we have. Okay, for example, your bill is $500. Okay, next vocabulary is 5,000. The pronunciation is 5,000. 5,000 is the part of the real number. It can be used to measure a distance. 5,000 can also be used to put a price on an item. Example, 5,000 miles. This product costs $5,000. Okay, next vocabulary is 5 million. Pronunciation of 5 million is 5 million. Okay, 5 million is the part of the real number. It can be used to provide data on the number of people living in a town. Example, a town of 5 million inhabitants. Okay, next question. Next vocabulary is 5 billion. This is a symbol of 5 billion and pronunciation is 5 billion. 5 billion is the part of the real number. It can be used to calculate the sales amount of something. For example, worldwide sales reach 5 billion. Okay, next vocabulary is plus. Plus pronunciation is plus. Plus is used when the two numbers or amounts mentioned are being added together. For example, the first 2 plus 5 equals 7. And 2, membership is $350 per year plus tax. $350 per year plus tax. Okay, next vocabulary is minus. This is symbol for minus. Pronunciation is minus. Minus is used when you subtract or take away a number or thing from another one. For example, 7 minus 3 equals 4. This is symbol of 7 minus 3 equals 4. Okay, next question is times. Pronunciation is times. The symbol like this for times. In the math, times are used to multiply a number, but generally, times are something measured in minutes, hours, days, etc. For example, 5 times 2 equals 10. Okay, next vocabulary is divided by. This is symbol for divided. Pronunciation is divided by. Okay, to find out how many times one number is contained in another. For example, dividing something by something. 30 dividing by 6 is 5. 2. Dividing by something. It's easy to divide by 10. Okay, I will explain about some question. This is first question from the video on YouTube. If the trip home takes 39 minutes at the time, does Chris have to leave in order to be home by a quarter after 6? We can see word in sentence is a quarter after 6. Okay, let's draw a timeline. This is timeline, and we have to 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Okay, between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock is 30 minutes, and before 30 minutes after 6 o'clock to 6 o'clock is 15 minutes after 6 o'clock. I mean is a quarter after 6. So we go back 30 minutes at the time does Chris have to live in order. Okay, we go back to 30 minutes before 15 minutes after 6 o'clock. Okay, a quarter after 6 to 6 o'clock is 50 minutes. So we know about time does Chris have to live in order is 24 minutes before 6 o'clock. Okay, we know about in 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we must do minus 60 minutes. 60 minus 24 is 36 minutes. And 24 minutes before 6 o'clock, same with or equal with 30 minutes after 5 o'clock. I'm sorry. So at the time does Chris have to leave in order to be home by a quarter after 6 is 5:36 in time. 5:36. Okay, next question, example 1. A rectangular room measures 260 in by 150 inch. The interior designer wants to place a strip of molding around the room near the ceiling that costs $2.25 per foot. Cent per foot. How much will it cost to buy the molding? Okay, solution. From the question, we get length equals 260 inch, width equals 150 inch. Molding cost is $2.25 per foot. Ask molding cost in dollars. Okay, this is illustration of rectangular room. Okay, for answer is we know formula about perimeters equals 2 times length plus 2 times width equals 2 length is 260. So 2 times 260 plus 2 times 150 equals 732 inch. We know about 1 foot equals 12 inch. So 732 inch dividing by 12 equals 61 feet. Okay. How to get a cost? So 61 feet times $2.25 per feet equals $137.25. So the conclusion is the cost to buy the molding would be $137 per 25 cents. Okay, for the next question is example 5. This is a question. An interior designer wants to cover the floor of a room with a carpet that has a two colors design. The room is square, measuring 12 feet on each side. The designer wants a red circle whose center is the center of the room that leaves 2 feet on each of the four walls. The remainder of the carpet should be white. Yeah, there should be a 2 feet white carpet border around the red carpet circle in the center of the room. The red carpet costs $12 per square foot, and the white carpet costs $10 per square foot. How much will the carpeting cost? Okay, we will answer this question. This is an illustration of room, and we know about 12 feet. From the question, we know about side of square is 12 feet. Red carpeting cost is 12 feet per square foot. White carpet cost is $10 per square feet. As carpeting cost equal dollars or in dollars, so we must to calculate a square area equals 12 feet times 12 feet equals 144 square feet. Okay, from the illustration, we know about the diameter. Diameter is 12 minus parenthesis 2 plus 2 equals 8 feet. And we know about the radius. The radius is 1/2 times diameter, or diameter dividing by 2. So radius is 8/2 equals 4 feet. Okay, we know next we must to calculate area of circle. The formula area of circle is P times square radius. P equals 3.14 times the radius. The square radius is 4 square 4. So it's same by 3.14 times 4 times 4 equals 50.24 square feet. So and cost of the red carpet is, before that we know about red carpet is a circle, and another is white carpet. So cost of the red carpet equals 50.24 square feet times $12 per square feet. It's same with or equals $602.88, and cost of the white carpet equals 93.76 square feet times $10 per square feet. It equals $937 per and 60 cents. So total cost would be $602.88 plus $937.60 equals $1,540.48. The conclusion is the carpeting cost would be $1,540.48. Oh, I forgot something. From area of red carpet equals 12 equals 500 equals 50.24 square feet. So we can know about area of wet carpet equals 144 square feet minus 50.24 square feet equals 93.76 square feet. I'm sorry, I forgot that. Okay, for the next example, example 8, the question is a rectangular fish tank in 30-inch long, 15-inch wide, and 20-inch height. Gravel is laid evenly at the bottom of the tank to a height of 2 inches, and the tank should be filled to a point that is 3 inch from the top of the tank. How much water can the tank hold to the nearest tenth of a gallon? Okay, solution. This is an illustration of rectangular fish tank. From the question, we know about long equals 30 inch, wide equals 50 inch, height equals 20 inch. Height gravel is 2 inch and filled from the top is 30 inch. Ask and gal or and gallon. So answer is, before we answer this question, we must to know height of water. So H water equals 12 minus parenthesis 2 plus 3 equals 50 inch. Okay, next we must to calculate a volume with H water. Volume is length times width times height equals 30 times 15 times 15 is 6,750 cube inch. And we know about 1 gallon equals 231 cube inch, and 1 cube inch equal 1 gallon per 231. So n gallon equals 6,750 cube inch times 1 gal per 231 cube inch equals 29.22 equals 29.2 gallon. So conclusion, how much water can the tank hold to the nearest tenth of a gallon is 29.2 gallon. Okay, we move to next question. This is example 9. A balloon, when expanded, is in the shape of sphere with a diameter of 24 cm. What is the maximum capacity of the balloon to the nearest liter? Okay, from the question given is diameter is 24 cm and a balloon is sphere. Ask volume balloon equals liter. Answer. Okay, from before we answer this question, we know about diameter equals 2 times radius. 2 times r, and r is radius. So formula of volume balloon equals 4 per 3 times 3.14 times cube r. Cube r mean is r times r times r. Equals 4 per 3 times 3.14 times cube 12. Or it's same by 4 per 3 times 3.14 times 12 times 12 times 12 equals 7,234.556 cube centimeters. We know about 1 cube centimeters, it's same by 1 milliliters. So 7,234.56 cube centimeters same or equals with 7,234.556 milliliters. So volume balloon is 7,234.56 milliliters, and in the question, volume balloon is n liter. So we dividing 7,234.56 milliliters dividing by 1,000 equals 7.23456 liter equals 7 liter, because the question asks to the nearest liter. Okay, that is some vocabulary and some question explain from me. If I have a mistake, I say sorry. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.